Welcome to the world of Transmatic, where innovation is our spirit, endurance is our signature, and precision is our calling card. We don't just build machines, we design and deliver solutions. For over 30 years, our name has been synonymous with trust and quality in the printing machine field. From heat presses to calendars, from laminators to heat printing and thermosetting ovens, every product we offer is designed to stand the test of time. At Transmatic, we build with a forward-looking mind, making strong, durable, high-performance machines that meet your needs today and tomorrow. Solutions that allow you to save time, optimize your resources, and work with the confidence that every process will be carried out with the utmost care. What's our secret? Complete operating independence. Every detail, from the first steel cut to the last test, is handled in-house. This is the quality assurance that distinguishes us. An approach that places attention and craftsmanship at the service of technological innovation for machines that not only work, but always work and work efficiently. Choosing Transmatic means knowing that whatever is your challenge, we have the solution for you. Whether you have chosen a press, a calendar, or a laminator, we will never let you down, because your success is our success. Because we know that when it comes to your business, every detail counts and your time is precious. Transmatic. Let's print the future together.